Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Adobe Illustrator for graphic design. So first, we will click Ellipse tool. Then we will make our perfect circle. Change its color to black. Turn the opacity to 50% and realign our shape. We will click Alt and drag our circle to make a copy of it. Then click Shape to change its width. The first circle 300, the second circle 150. Then realign the second circle to again Alt and drag the circle to make a copy and realign it to our second circle. Next, we will click Shift and drag the first point until to the point of the first circle. Then select all circles. Then click Shape Builder. Click Alt to remove the inner circle and click again to Rectangle tool to create our rectangle. Change its width to 150 and drag this point until you see the red line. Click Select and drag the shape until we see this point and click Pen. Now, from the top of the rectangle, make a line until it reaches outside of our shape. Click Enter, then finish it until we reach the top line. Using Select all our shapes. Then click Shape Builder. Hit Alt to remove these shapes until we have our letter P. And next, click Direct Select and select up to this point. Now, drag this point, click Shift until we make a small P. Click Shape Builder, delete this shape and click Shift to select all this point to make it one shape, also this one. Then select Tool to pick this first shape and change its color to any color of your liking. Select again the first shape and change its opacity into 100%. Now, clicking the black ones, we will change it to gradient of your choice. Selecting the second one and choose again the gradient style that you want to use. Then choose the color for the second shape. Then click the first shape. You can also control the lightings of it. And that's how you use Adobe Graphic Illustrator for graphic design. If you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.